Call it Park Bubba Sparks.
Booty rockin' everywhere. Booty.
Western short. Hey, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
Alright, so y'all, I'm about to make a quick wig with this synthetic weave, y'all. So y'all stay tuned. Your girl just got a trim day, so I'm looking like Felicia. I ain't gonna record everything because it's just basically making a wig. I'm gonna basically just kind of do a review of the hair. Alright, so y'all, so after doing one bundle of the 18-inch, this is how it looks. Well, it's not all of it. That's how it's looking so far. We got more to do. Let's keep going. Y'all, I'm about to show y'all how it looks as far as for me putting the top layer of my own body wave hair, and then the rest will be synthetic. It blended in so good, so I'm about to show you guys. Okay, here we are. Like I said, that top layer is mine. Very full. Just gotta do that closure. Good morning, y'all. It's Desi and I'm back with another video, y'all. I look a hot mess. Oh my gosh. So this video, I basically was gonna do a review as far as for this hair. I was able to make a wig as far as for the shake and go hair, and for the next 2 weeks I'm gonna be wearing it just to kind of like relieve my scalp. So basically I'm on a healthier route as far as for my hair. I am 4C natural, and yesterday I ended up getting a trim on my hair, and as she was, you know, doing my hair and whatnot, she told me to start using sea breeze on my scalp, due to the fact that I have like a dandruff problem through my scalp. Throughout this whole entire year I've been getting my hair done back to back, back to back, back to back, so I'm finally letting my hair breathe. So I figured I would wear a wig to kind of help it out. Y'all, please excuse my eye. So at the top for the closure, I put some type of makeup at the bottom of it, and it kind of got to my eye and on my I know you staring at me. And my fucking eye want to act stupid this morning.
Oh, why are you so loud?
No, because it's trying to get a sty.
I'm gonna need it.
Don't say that. My glasses should be able to answer that question for you because it kind of fogged up when you did that.